I am Execal Sibantog. I am 17 years old. I continue my study in Loyola College of Polion. My course is ability literature. My student's life in LCC is it's so good, but so many projects and activities that hard. But I continue I but but I give my efforts and to to high my grades, and thank you to support my study, and I hope I can continue my high grade, and thank you to the laptop and printer that will give to the scholar to the students scholar to help to help to work projects, and thank you thank you and continue to support my study in Loyola College of Polion. That's all. Thank you.